Welcome to the ultimate review of the 2025 Karmann Ghia, a modern revival of a legendary classic. This vehicle is a bold statement in automotive design, seamlessly blending the nostalgic aesthetics of its predecessor with cutting-edge technology and contemporary engineering. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original or a newcomer to the name, this car promises an engaging driving experience with a refined sense of style. The front of the 2025 Karmann Ghia immediately draws attention with its unmistakable retro-inspired grille, subtly integrating modern LED lighting technology. The rounded headlamps pay homage to the vintage design, yet offer a sharp and focused illumination pattern suitable for today's roads. The front bumper exudes elegance with a minimalist yet aerodynamic design, featuring integrated air intakes that enhance both aesthetics and performance. The hood showcases a subtle contour, reminiscent of the original model but adapted for improved aerodynamics. The elongated yet compact shape reflects the perfect fusion of classic coupe proportions and modern efficiency. The flowing lines create a sense of motion even when the car is at a standstill. The chrome trim along the windows accentuates the luxurious appeal, while the sculpted fenders give the vehicle a muscular stance. The multi-spoke alloy wheels complement the vintage meets modern theme, offering a perfect balance between sophistication and sportiness. The frameless windows add a sleek and modern touch, enhancing the overall premium feel. The design continues to pay tribute to the past while embracing the future. The taillights feature a unique blend of retro styling and advanced LED technology, providing an eye-catching nighttime signature. The gently sloping roofline meets the rear deck in a seamless transition, ensuring aerodynamic efficiency. A subtle lip spoiler enhances stability at higher speeds, and the chrome-accented rear bumper gives a nod to the classic aesthetic. The centrally positioned dual exhaust tips hint at the performance capabilities hidden beneath the elegant exterior. The interior of the 2025 Karmann Ghia offers a harmonious mix of vintage charm and modern luxury. The dashboard is designed with simplicity in mind, featuring a digital instrument cluster seamlessly integrated into a retro-styled housing. The steering wheel, wrapped in premium leather, incorporates modern functionality with touch-sensitive controls while maintaining a classic two-spoke design. The seats are upholstered in high-quality materials, with optional suede or premium leather finishes, ensuring maximum comfort for both the driver and passengers. A state-of-the-art infotainment system with a touchscreen display provides seamless connectivity, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced navigation system. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin adds a touch of sophistication, allowing for customizable color schemes to match personal preferences. The sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, enhancing the overall driving pleasure. A panoramic sunroof option floods the cabin with natural light, further elevating the sense of openness and elegance. Performance-wise, the 2025 Karmann Ghia does not disappoint. Under the hood, the car is powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive balance of power and efficiency. Producing around 250 horsepower, the engine ensures lively acceleration while maintaining fuel economy. For those seeking an electrified option, a plug-in hybrid variant is also available, combining an electric motor with the gasoline engine for enhanced efficiency and reduced emissions. The lightweight chassis and precise suspension tuning offer an engaging driving experience, ensuring responsive handling on both city streets and winding roads. With an adaptive suspension system, the car adjusts to various driving conditions, offering a smooth ride for daily commuting and an exhilarating performance for spirited drives. An advanced all-wheel drive system is available for those who require extra traction and stability. The driving dynamics of the Karmann Ghia are further enhanced by an intelligent drive mode system, allowing drivers to switch between comfort, sport, and eco modes depending on their preference. The electronic stability control, along with a suite of driver assistance features, ensures safety while maintaining the thrill of driving. The electric variant offers instant torque, providing seamless acceleration and a near-silent driving experience. The regenerative braking system improves efficiency, allowing energy to be recaptured during deceleration. The manual transmission option, available in select trims, caters to purists who crave an authentic, hands-on driving experience. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is positioned as a premium offering in the compact coupe segment. The base model starts at approximately $45,000, offering a well-equipped package with essential features. Mid-range trims, incorporating additional luxury elements and performance enhancements, are expected to range from $50,000 to $55,000. The top-of-the-line edition, featuring the plug-in hybrid powertrain and exclusive interior customization options, could reach up to $60,000. While it may be priced higher than some competitors, the unique blend of heritage-inspired design, modern technology, and engaging driving dynamics make it a compelling choice for enthusiasts and collectors alike. The cost of ownership is balanced with competitive warranty coverage and an expected high resale value, thanks to the vehicle's distinctive appeal and limited production numbers. For potential buyers considering the 2025 Karmann Ghia, there are a few key factors to keep in mind. If you appreciate automotive heritage and want a car that stands out with a distinctive design, this is an excellent choice. The blend of modern performance and luxury ensures a comfortable and enjoyable ride, whether for daily use or weekend cruises. However, if practicality and cargo space are top priorities, a more conventional coupe or sedan might be a better fit. Additionally, those who value cutting-edge electric technology may want to explore the hybrid variant for an eco-friendly alternative. The overall refinement of the car ensures that it appeals to a broad range of buyers, from collectors to everyday drivers seeking something unique. The 2025 Karmann Ghia proves to be a remarkable tribute to an iconic classic while embracing the advancements of modern engineering. With its head-turning design, luxurious interior, and engaging performance, this vehicle offers an experience that goes beyond mere transportation. It's a statement of style and passion for automotive history. Whether you're drawn to its nostalgia or intrigued by its contemporary capabilities, the Karmann Ghia is a testament to the timeless appeal of a well-crafted automobile. Be sure to check it out at your nearest dealership and experience firsthand what makes this car a true modern classic. For those who appreciate craftsmanship, heritage, and a unique presence on the road, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is an offering that stands out in today's crowded automotive market. It successfully balances past and present, delivering a compelling package that continues to captivate enthusiasts around the world.